Hello all and welcome to the channel. In today's video we will finally do the champagne cooler slash fridge install. So let's go through all the parts you need to do this retrofit. You need a fridge, you need the inner wall, and when you order this one new, it don't come cut out like this, even though you order one for the car that has the fridge. So you have to cut this out yourself. It's actually marked on the back so you can see. As you can see, the hole for the connector is not done on this one, so that one I still have to cut out. I also got this one that you put inside so the bottles don't raffle around. Here we have the connector that will go here. We have the cable kit. And here's the thing I really like when you buy the cable kit, it's that it comes with the fuse box connector, so you can easily see where the pin goes in the fuse box. A couple of screws for this one. We have the inner bracket where you fasten this one to. Also the fridge goes in here. And then we have this one. I bought this one that comes with a ski sack. That you just remove and then you put this one here instead and just put it in. And then I was very lucky to find this Maybach wine glass holder, so I will add that one as well. I think that would be really nice. And the final thing you really have to make this work at all is this. So the first thing we need to do is take this one out, and it's actually only attached with these two screws here. I prepared this. Just some torque screws. And then this one comes out. And now we need to take this one out, and it's actually just sitting with two rivets, like that. And here we have this bracket here. It sits with two screws on each side. It comes off like that. And this one just sits with clips like these, so it just snaps off. And this can of course differ a bit depending on what kind of feature you have in your car, but this one just had a box from the inside. It didn't have the ski sack with the port. And here we have the fuse box where we are going to connect the fridge to. So that means we have to run cables from there, behind here, into here. So I feel it's much easier to just remove this one. And to remove this one, you have to remove this one. And this one just sits with two rivets, one here and one here. Like that. And this one just sits with one screw here, one rivet here, and two rivets up here. And when you have removed these rivets and this screw, you just pull it out. Like that. Now you can see we can run the cables freely. So here you can clearly see what I mean with this one. Since all these are colored differently, you easily see that this one goes up here. And that also means you can see that the one should go in here. So now we just have to take this out and get to the back of this one so we can install this one into that one. And here we have the ground, which is that one. And this one sits with 3 bolts, one here, and one underneath. So now everything is loose. We turn this one around like this. And now we have 2 screws in the rear here, 2 torque screws. We'll take these out. So now we can take it out of the shell like that. So that's all you need to get to these. Now we take the pin out from this one. If you don't have the tools to take this out, you can always cut this open because you're not going to use this again. So now this one is loose, as you can see. And now we just route this cable in here, into the back of it. Push it in here. You hear the click. And you just put this back in. And now that portion is actually done, you just put everything back. And then we will route this cable to the back and put this one to the ground. And insert the fuse. And now I loosen this up so I can run the cable behind here. Like that. And as a final touch, I will add some tape here. And now, before you continue with everything, it's a good time to try it out. Sure works. First we add these screws in the bottom. We can add this bracket here. Like that. And now we're adding the screws on top. since I bought this one, I better put that in there first. So now for the finishing touches. And this one I will not attach now, since I have to find wine glasses that fit this one, and I think it's way easier to bring this with me when I try to find them. So we'll just do that. And there we go. Cheers. And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like, and don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.